This is Alex. This is Henry. And he's going to use it. Now, for your information, he has a YouTube channel called Mind Monsters XD.
That I don't do anymore.
Yeah, just subscribe to it 'cause it's quite cool. Just for heads up, it's on Minecraft. I do play Minecraft, but I don't know how to video it. He does have a Henry, a red one. His mum has a Dyson, and he also has an Electrolux. But here, Henry is his Hoover.
And the Electrolux. Just right over.
Yeah, go on. Turn it on. Powerful, isn't it? Close the suction valve. What? Keep this shut. Keep that shut. Don't hold that. To release suction. You vacuumed that same bit of carpet about 5 million times. That's it. Do over there. There's no dirt. That will do, I think. I think the motor's getting better in that. Yeah, it's getting better gradually. Sort of stinks. Yeah, still. Bye bye.